yeah, look at that. So I made this awesome Italian bread, grilled cheese. And you let it cook. Okay, it's now brown on both sides. It's looking really good. And for my Italian style garlic beef here, oh, you know, I should probably turn it over. Oh yeah, and here is that Dutch oven just out of the oven, and we've got the beef chuck roast that have been braising for quite a while in there. Look at that. Ah, the Italian beef, and here we are the next day, and the next step. This is going to be amazing. Next step, real simple. Pot fork. Remove the beef from the pan. Try to get some of that liquid back in the pan there. Okay. And then we're going to carve it. Nice thin slices like this. Chunks are okay too, but I really want some thin slices. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades, all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. Okay, so here we go. The next day, you can see I got that beef simmering. It's looking really, really good. Load it up like this with some fresh tomato. With a side of the au jus. Oh yeah, Italian beef with the au jus and a side of coleslaw. How's that look? Please drop a comment, like, share, subscribe. Try this recipe out. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Also search the channel. There are various coleslaw recipes on the channel. And wow, look at that. Blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Ah. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Buy the best the first time. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Wow! Get the best the first time. It's gonna be good. My spatula. Well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.